Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Differentiating whether a bird is sick or molting involves observing their behavior and physical appearance. Sick birds often show signs such as lethargy, reduced appetite, unusual droppings, and fluffed-up feathers. In contrast, molting birds generally maintain normal behaviors but lose feathers in a pattern that does not significantly impair their overall condition. Key indicators of molting include new feather growth and seasonal timing, as most birds molt at specific times of the year.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.